Hi guys, so today I'm just going to go over a project that I've been working on for a challenge here on YouTube. Her YouTube name is just her name, it's Gloria V. And then on Instagram, you know her as Crafty by Nature. I will link both of her sites down below. And she's having a giveaway challenge, and of course it's unicorn magical pastel themed. So when she said that, I had to jump on board because I love unicorn stuff and I love working with it because it's just so like fun and magical, you know. It like brings my fairy tale dreams come true. So anyway, I'll just get into it. I do want to add a few more things that I've been seeing people haul at Hobby Lobby, just like some finishing touches. But I'm on a no spend, so May 1st I will be at Hobby Lobby's door knocking before it opens. Anyway, let me get into the actual. So if this is a loaded bag, this striped gold bag is from Hobby Lobby. It's like a treat sack. Then I just did three different trims. This rainbow one, gold fun fur, and pom-poms at the bottom. This die cut is from my Silhouette Cameo. This is a thicker. It says love. I just scalloped the edge with my punch, and then this is a piece of paper from the new Michaels. It's like the card size 8 by something. Then I did these little see if you guys can see that. Mini envelope with the scraps of the paper that I was working with through this entire thing. Just slide it over this way. I embossed the paper, except for it was like deep embossing, like it was cutting the paper, if you can see right there. It's like a rainbow and clouds. That is from the $2 section at Michael's. And part of the swap was to have two or three handmade embellishments and then a wand in your loaded bag, if you do a loaded bag. Then this, I just, with some of the trim strips that were left, again, I embossed this one. I just used all my different like doily style dies and cut out, you know, all the magical papers that I was working. So this is a bag of magical doilies. Then this bag, this clothespin is from Lily. She gifted to me for Valentine's Day, I think it was. This is a thicker heart sticker. Then these trims are just being held on with this clothespin, some washi tape, and then in here with the papers that I was using, I cut out a bunch of, they're basically like little envelope, coin envelopes pretty much, so she can fold them, you know, and make them and style them, and then she can reuse this trim however she wants. And I know she makes wands like crazy, so maybe she could add these to like the tassel parts of it. Then over here I used my eyelet punch and put a little whole eyelet in there. And this little hanging unicorn keychain is from Dollar Tree. I knew I picked him up for a reason, that I was going to do something with him. Then let me pull this out. This is my wand you guys have seen on my Instagram. I do have a video on this. I just haven't finished editing it. Just as, you know, step-by-step process of like what I was doing to make this. And the struggles. But yeah, she's like the wand making queen. If you don't follow her, you should. She makes like amazing stuff that just like literally blows your mind. You're like, what the heck? I didn't even think of that. So I tried to make it extra. So that needed to be part of the bag. Then I just made some bows with the scraps that I had, and you know, this is a My Creative Time die. She's on Instagram. Oh, and then I just made like a little topper with 2 pieces of trim, little bag style. Glued this Michaels sticker on there. And this glitter is that new glitter that I did a video on a while ago. It's actually called Unicorn 2 or something like that. So I just put a few flakes in there to make it shimmer and shake. Then these paper clips are from the Hobby Lobby clearance, like when I went on my major spending sprees. Then this little topper is from my girl Allie, and I just put a cupcake unicorn sticker from Michaels on top of it. Then I saw her post on Instagram. These are the stickers that I like used throughout. See, there's that cupcake one right here. That her Michaels did not carry this stuff, and she like it sold out. But I just decorated it with some holographic, some pearls. These rainbow style flowers that I've been using were from Michaels when I bought them on sale. I'll start in the back. Then I packaged up some straws. Like I just tried to pick the most girly unicorn pastel colors that I had. Little topper from my girl Allie. Some fun fur and a sticker from Michaels down there. And then I included these stickers just because, I mean, they remind me of very magical touch feel. This is from that Michaels paper pad. This paper pad, it didn't have a lot of papers that I could actually use because look, it's the whole thing, so I couldn't cut a section of it. It just wouldn't have looked good. So there's only a couple that you can actually use for, you know, like this one. Is that what I used? Yeah. This like gemstone one. And I just punched two holes and fed some ribbon through there, and then I glued a blue heart rhinestone on there. And then lastly, my third embellishment, I used that Maggie Holmes die from Tuesday morning, and I punched it out in gold and put a little sticker on there. Then these are paper rosettes with just some die cut. I cut out some like doily looking shaped dies. Some of them are layered again with a smaller rosette, and then just some stickers on top. Very unicorn magic. And then, okay, so I already did the front. The back is this recycled ephemera piece. Anything basically, sometimes your tapes, whatever it comes with this like plastic stuff, I save it as long as it doesn't have a sticker or anything on it, because I'm not scraping those stickers off. Then I have a little made with love, and I used a piece of the paper from this collection as the backing, and to cover up, you know, the glue and the, let's see if you can see the plastic, the white plastic part. I just put some, you know, little tassel trim, and I like how it just shakes around. Thought that was super cute. And like I said, I want to add a few finishing touches, like some paper clips and this little sequins. I want to fill it up with like rainbow style sequins, and then shove it in there somewhere. All right, bye guys. Thanks for watching, and then be on the lookout for my video on this little wand. All right, bye guys.